Guide to importing automotive diagnostic equipment into the USA. Welcome to our video on whether or not there are any restrictions when importing automotive diagnostic scanners into the USA. In this video, we'll discuss the different types of automotive diagnostic scanners, the regulations that apply to them, and how to import them legally. Types of automotive diagnostic scanners. There are two main types of automotive diagnostic scanners. OBD2 scanners. These scanners are designed to connect to a vehicle's OBD2 port, which is a standard port located under the dashboard. OBD2 scanners can read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, as well as perform other functions such as live data monitoring and resetting the oil light. Generic scanners. These scanners can connect to a wider range of vehicles than OBD2 scanners, but they typically don't have as many features. Generic scanners can be used to read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, but they may not be able to perform other functions such as live data monitoring or resetting the oil light. Regulations for importing automotive diagnostic scanners. The U.S. government has regulations in place for importing automotive diagnostic scanners. These regulations are designed to ensure that the scanners meet certain safety and emissions standards. The main regulation that applies to automotive diagnostic scanners is the Federal Communications Commission (FCC) rules. The FCC rules require that all electronic devices that are imported into the United States must comply with the FCC's radio frequency emissions limits. In addition to the FCC rules, there are also a number of other regulations that may apply to automotive diagnostic scanners. These regulations include the Environmental Protection Agency (EPA) regulations for automotive emissions, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) regulations for automotive safety. How to import automotive diagnostic scanners legally. The following are the steps you need to take to import automotive diagnostic scanners legally. 1. Make sure that the scanner meets the FCC's radio frequency emissions limits. 2. If the scanner is subject to EPA or NHTSA regulations, make sure that it meets those regulations as well. 3. Get a U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) import declaration form. 4. Fill out the import declaration form and pay the applicable import duties. 5. Present the import declaration form to CBP when you enter the United States. By following these steps, you can import automotive diagnostic scanners legally into the United States.